Christmas Eve is just around the corner at syempre, inaabangan natin ang Noche Buena where we get to spend time with our families and loved ones sa dining table, of course, eating delicious food like ham. I'm Chef Jose Sarasola. I'm here now sa Majestic Ham Factory where I'll be showing you kung paano ba ginagawang Majestic Ham at paano siya nakarating sa mga mesa ninyo for Noche Buena. We're here now sa Majestic Ham Factory, of course, with Sir Jarel. Before you show us the process on paano siya ginagawa, gusto ko ng konting history naman about the ham. Maybe you can share with us.
We started Majestic in the 1990s. We wanted to bring the traditional way of cooking ham to the Filipino people.
So 1990s pa, sobrang tagal na pala. And then yung traditional way is basically what for Majestic Ham?
Yes, we cure our ham for a long time.
And that actually helps with adding the flavor and makes it really well known kung bakit naging Majestic Ham. And is it like a family-run business? Was it like generational na ba kayo? Since kasi 90s pa kayo eh. So talagang family-run talaga siya.
Yes, we started with my lolo and then my parents and then me.
Wow, so talagang passing down from generation to generation. Para the good thing I think when you do that as well sa food and kung ganun katagal, yung consistency ng lasa is very important, and I think with your process siguro talagang it brings out the best flavor sa ham. What's your theory on how come ang Majestic Ham parang kailangan staple palagi sa Noche Buena ng mga Pilipino?
Okay, first and foremost, dahil masarap siya. And second, because it brings about the Christmas spirit in our family.
Actually, you know, with Noche Buena coming up, I'm actually looking forward to trying different kinds of dishes naman using Majestic Ham na may konting twist para kakaiba yung handa sa Noche Buena. So, I can't wait to use your ham.
Okay, Chef, could I invite you to show you the process on how we make Majestic Ham?
Oh, please, bro. I would love that.
Let's go. Tara.
Ayun, Jarel. So now this room is really cold. I can see a lot of things going on. What basically happens here?
Here, we cure our ham for 3 to 6 months.
So what do you want to look for basically pag naka-store siya dito? Is there like a specific thing na kailangan makita na parang nasa process na siya or parang inaabangan po para magbago yung ham?
As long as it's frozen right now, because the ham will just change after curing.
Kasi nakita ko rin na may mga barrels naman tayo dito.
As you can see, these are oak barrels and it's filled with our spices to cure the ham.
Siyempre, yung special spices, we cannot ask Sir kung ano yun. Pero I'm sure a lot goes into it to get that maximum flavor talaga, which Majestic Ham has. Kaya talagang binabalikan siya talaga ng mga Pilipino.
After 6 months, we'll go to the next process, which is smoking. So after refreezing, we bring the legs to our smoking area.
So basically, right now, pinapasok na yung mga ham natin and hinahang na lang siya basically.
Hang na lang siya.
Oo, hang na lang talaga siya.
Pagkatapos na sisindayin na yung apoy.
Ah, okay. And how long the fire just keeps on like the whole time lang talaga siya?
Just the whole time.
Wow. So kailangan marami kang stock ng kahoy talaga ng mango trees.
Pero yung important naman, hindi yung fire, it's the smoke.
It's the smoke naman talaga, yes. Because not really naman the fire is the cooking process. It's really the smoking talaga, which will bring out the flavor talaga of the hams. So basically, after the smoking process, saan naman siya pumupunta after?
Yes. After the 3 to 8 hours of smoking, we bring the legs here to our airing rack. This is called the airing rack.
Oh, okay.
We air the legs for up to 2 days.
Yun na ba yung medyo final step before we can serve the ham or pack the ham, or meron pa ba ibang process after
Not
this?
really. After all the process, the ham still isn't cooked yet. So the next process is cooking.
Cooking the ham naman. Yes. So may next step pa pala tayo.
This is called our pool. We submerge our ham in the pool for 19 to 20 hours, depending on the size. This is to remove the excess saltiness from the smoke.
Also add a different yung sa bagay yung lambot or yung tigas or walang connection siya?
Yes, exactly, because of the water. It
yes.
makes it softer.
Ah, softer. So parang may pagka-brining din siya actually kasi may salt siya and may water, di ba?
We finally cook the ham. Ito yung kawa namin. We cook the ham in 3 to 5 hours in brown sugar and spices.
And spices. Siyempre yung spices, secret yan. Yung brown sugar lang yung pwedeng sabihin. And then yung color niya, napaka-bright. So, saan nanggagaling yung color naman?
Yes, this is from the spices.
From the spices
Yes.
na. Actually, I can smell nga yung spices eh. Gusto kang hulaan, pero wag na lang. Basta may sugar siya mga kapuso and other spices as well. So, ayan. So, wow, it looks really good. And I think after all the process, ito talaga yung end product and it looks amazing.
Yan ang end product.
Okay, so now we finished cooking our ham, but right before we package it, I heard may last process pa talaga siya before we package. So can you explain naman kung ano itong last process natin?
Yes, last process, we finally glazed our ham with white sugar.
Thank you so much, brother, for the
Thank you,
tour. I
Jose.
really appreciate the whole process you showed me. Talaga nag-enjoy ako. It showed me a different side talaga on how it's really made from start to finish and sobrang sarap niya. And siguro now, just want you to, invite, promote Majestic Ham where you can buy or in social media accounts as well.
Please follow us at our social media pages, Majestic Ham, in Facebook and Instagram. And you can also find our outlets in different supermarkets across Metro Manila.
Okay, so we've seen the whole process on paano nagawa ng Majestic Ham from start to finish. Paano siya nagsimula, paano siya natapos, paano siya na-package. Meron akong free taste ngayon. So ang next step naman sa chef, I want to try using Majestic Ham sa dalawang recipes na kakaiba na you can use sa Noche Buena. So please catch us next time on a Christmas episode of Straight from the Expert.